Hello, Internet. Today we're doing nothing really of substance. So we went to a bake sale to benefit Planned Parenthood. We planned to get something to snack on there. They did have beer, they did have a couple snackage things. But of course, I'm scanning the entire bake sale for one word, a vegan, and I only found 2 options. Neither of them sounded very appealing. And significant other, he wanted cinnamon sugar something. Cinnamon sugar snickerdoodle. Couldn't find anything but a cereal bar, and he just was not into that. So we're having a bit of an impromptu leftover night. For him, that was a pepperoni pizza. For me, we're gonna find out. So we're gonna probably Frankenstein together some leftovers. Hopefully it'll turn out good. Maybe you'll get a recipe, or maybe it will be a monster. Let's find out. We do have yogurt, so we could make something with that. Soy milk and almond milk, nut butters, maybe something peanut buttery. Significant other's leftover Mexican, cheese balls, but we had cheese yesterday. Oh, I have rice. I can make something with rice, definitely. Definitely not corn rice. Avocado, like maybe a sushi rice bowl, or berries maybe. Could kind of like do maybe a Mexican style rice. I don't know. That would be protein of chickpeas, but that would be a lot of carbs. Okay, so I have about yay much rice. It's not a lot. I didn't really think that it would be that much to have like a Mexican style rice dish. And it's white rice. I generally like brown rice in Mexican rice, and I feel like it's easier for me to digest brown rice, and I know that has something to do with Avidovics. And if I don't use it now, I don't think that I'm going to use it later in the week because it's gonna get dried out and gross, and nobody wants that. So I'm thinking I'm gonna try to make maybe a rice pudding. I wanna reheat this rice in a saucepan. I'm gonna put in strawberry chunks with it to kind of have a strawberry flavored rice pudding. Maybe add some yogurt at the end. I'm not sure, and I'll keep you updated. Oop, we're off the burner. Well, it's coming together now. Doesn't look like I burned the soy milk or anything. If anything, it's pretty stinking cute. See? It's kind of adorable. Okay, I might have curdled the soy milk a little bit. I'll give that a taste test. It's not that sweet, so I'm just gonna put it back under here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to simmer some of the water out of it and maybe put some yogurt into it, because it's like you can taste the sweetness of the strawberries, but it still feels like really thin. I mean, that's not bad. It definitely fixes the bland flavor thing. So as it stands, this I wouldn't call bad. To me, a little too sweet to be breakfast food, but not really sweet enough to be dessert. I asked significant other, he doesn't think it's sweet enough, which I think it's too sweet to be breakfast, so take that as it may. They seem to be particularly interested in it, but that's also because they're pugs and are human vacuum cleaners. I did add yogurt to it, and that definitely helped, that definitely worked. Overall, probably would make again though. Remember to list any questions, comments, or concerns down below, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Good boy. Good boy. Who's the goodest boy?